Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform signature Sizeup dribble in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. There are two methods which you can use in order to perform this. The first method is that you need to just move your right stick left right in a rhythm like this. You can see that my player is performing the signature Sizeup dribble. So let me show you again. We just gonna move the right stick like this, left right. So you need to do this pretty fast so that the player will perform the dribble. Let me do it again, and yeah, you can see that he's performing the dribble, and that's exactly how you can use the first method to perform the dribble. The second method is also kind of similar. You need to move your right stick up, like you need to perform that twice like this. You can see that we need to just move the right stick up, and the player gonna perform the dribble. So in short, the first method was left right, and the second is up. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.